Hi, this is Kashish Mulchandani from the Art of Making Chocolates and More. I'm here today to talk about the spread of my Cakesicles and Cake Pop class. Now, what are Cakesicles? Cakesicles are flavored cakes on a popsicle stick. Now, we have different kinds of flavors in cakes as well as flavored chocolates coated on it. Now, this is basically where we talk a lot about variations on each Cakesicle. We first begin our class with an eggless vanilla cupcake where we teach you from scratch, and then we use different kinds of ganaches to crumble and make into your cake pops and cakesicles. I cover two kinds of ganache, which is your white chocolate ganache and your dark chocolate ganache. So once we have done with our flavoring of a cake, we start with our coating of our cakesicles. So let's begin with our first one. This is a chocolate Biscoff cakesicle where I have chocolate sponge inside, coated with dark chocolate and flavored with Biscoff. To enhance it, we have also used a Biscoff biscuit on top. The next one is a Nutella cakesicle, where it's again a sponge, which is a chocolate sponge cake, coated with dark chocolate and enhanced it with roasted hazelnuts. We have another traditional. This was our surprise element for today. It's a very different flavor today I've come up with. This is a Thandai and Rabdi Malai cakesicle. So we have a vanilla sponge cake with a Thandai flavor, coated with a Rabdi Malai chocolate and dusted with some pistachios, almonds and our silver varg. So this was the most enhanced flavor for today. The next one is our bubblegum. Now again, this is the first time that I have introduced a bubblegum cakesicle where we have again a vanilla sponge with a bubblegum flavored chocolate and enhancement with our different sprinkles on it. Our next one is a raspberry. This is again with vanilla sponge. So we discuss a lot that what goes with vanilla and what goes with chocolate. So we have raspberry which goes with vanilla sponge. And this is a raspberry coating enhanced with some heart sprinkles. This is a traditional one, which is our rose pan. To enhance it, we have used Gulkand in our cake today. So we will call this as our Gulkand rose and pan cakesicle. And this is how we have decorated also. We also teach you how to enhance every cakesicle in a different way. To add value to the cakesicles class, we have also introduced 3 different kinds of cake pops. This is a Hello Kitty cake pop, where I teach you how we'll decorate the Hello Kitty in such a way that it looks nice and cute. Then we have a mini cupcake. Now if you see, this is a mini cupcake, actually a cake pop in a cupcake style, coated with raspberry chocolate and some sprinkles on it. That's a swirl looking cake pop, which you see it's having some marble effect. So I also cover how to make marble chocolate. And that's how we have done our cake pop and cakesicles. Today being a Valentine theme, we also covered a new kind of a pinata cake pop, which is our heart-shaped pinata cake pops. So we have done it in a very beautiful pastel colors, where I've also enhanced every cake pop in different dust, and you can see some shine on the on every cake pop. So here is a complete different texture that we have given on our cake pop. If you see, we have some white lines, we have a gold dust, and it's a pastel raspberry flavored cake pop sprinkled with heart sprinkles. And that's just a pastel green with the pink sprinkles on it. And you can see the gold dust which is shining on top. So this was our showstopper also for today, because we had done a Valentine theme of our heart cake pops, which is beautifully packed and gifted to your loved ones for this Valentine. So to enroll and register for our next upcoming seasonal cake pop and cakesicle class, do contact me on 9765127864. Thank you.